Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am doing another quick and easy card, and I'm actually working for swaps for one of the Stampin' Up! Events, and so I figured let's just do a video so that you can see these cards. So anyway, I'm going to be using the pieces set patterns, and I'm using this little bear because I love the bears, and I'm also going to be using this hello there. Also, I am using the coordinating design series paper, which is this one, and it has all these, which the name is Pick a Pattern, and it has all these different designs, and you can tell I am almost down to the last few sheets on this one. So anyway, let's just get started. The card basis was per white, and I'm just folding it in half. I also have I'm using my bone folder there. I also have a crushed curry, which is 4 by 5 1/4, and I have a piece of the Pick a Pattern design series paper that is 3 3/4 by 5. So let's just glue those together because there's nothing else on that one. Alright, so let's just go ahead. Alright, and what is this? Oh, I left one outside. Okay, so I'm going to then glue this one as well using the fast fuse. And we're going to be gluing this one. You know what? There's like a little dot there that is bugging me, so let's just run it put here. So here we go. And then I have some scratch paper. So I should say scrap paper, not really scratch paper, but I'm going to be using the crushed curry. Oh, you know what? And I'm going to be stamping this and using the circle punch 1 3/4, which this one is the old style that the Stampin' Up! Had. Then I have the what is this? The little bear. And I just used the archival, and I'm going to go ahead and punch that one also with one of the old circles 1 1/4. I should probably start getting the newest type of punches, but honestly, I mean, if they work, why not really keeping them, right? And then I'm going to be doing a 2-inch circle with the Daffodil Delight, and I'm going to bring this stamp. I'm just going to stamp like a little background all over the place. Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go. So I just want to have something there. And yes, so now I'm going to be gluing this circle. Oh. Then I'm going to be gluing this one as well onto my card. There we go. This one will go with dimensionals, and I have here one. Oh, but you know what? I forgot something. Well, we'll do it after I have this. But for this little guy, I thought it would be nice if I color it with the light crumb cake of the blends, which I know that if you're watching this video in April, I know you're not able to purchase them the the blends for a while. But Stampin' Up! Has told us that sometime in May they're gonna open again these products for sales. It's just that they had so much demand for these markers because they're really great. And so it seems like the producer had a lot of issues trying to catch up with so much demand, and so instead of them having more back orders, they decided to turn it off for a bit and give some time for the producer to catch up, and then had some more stock on hand and then be able to release it again. So anyway, I think that that's good. At least that means that they're not going away. They're still going to be here. So that's kind of exciting for me because I really love them. And so anyway, so don't get disappointed. You just have to wait a little bit. But they're going to come back. So I'm using the gold sequins. And this one. And now I'm going to put this one right on top of that. And so here is the card. Hope you have liked it. And also I do have an ordering incentive going on. So just go into my blog at creatingwithali.com. And the order incentive is if when you place an order uses the monthly host code, you get a card kit from me to make 4 cards. Now if your order is $50 or more, you get as well the accessory of the month. So anyway, go ahead and look into my blog. Almost every single post has information at the very end of the post, and also there is a tab called ordering incentive, so you can see it as well. And if you have any questions, you can always email me or reach out, leave me a comment, and I'll follow up with you. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed, and see you soon.